another July the 5th. If it means that I'll feel something like this, I was looking for human emotion. Didn't want your undying devotion. You and me will never know why, how we make other people cry. Ah, yeah, 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 I want you. I can't say no, it's incredibly urgent. Yeah, yeah, I need you. I'm wrapped up tight in a passionate girl with, yeah, yeah, I love you. But those 3 words I'm never gonna say. I'm gonna keep you, the bird in my cage. I never know what you want me to think, baby. I take a sip and then I want the whole drink. I thought I liked playing around in the dark, eating dolphins and swimming with the sharks. But you and me were so quick to pretend, like we had the kind of thing that would never end. Ah, yeah, 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 I want you. I can't say no, it's incredibly urgent. Yeah, yeah, I'll need you. I'm wrapped up tight in a passionate girl with, yeah, yeah, I love you. But those 3 words I'm never gonna say. I'm gonna keep you, the bird in my cage. Was it a blessing or was it just a curse? I wanna love you, but it's gonna get worse. I was looking for a new beginning, didn't see that the curtain was falling